Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Viewers, in this video I will talk about foldable smartphones of Apple. Viewers, Apple has asked LG to develop the display panels for its upcoming foldable smartphones. Whereas not just LG, Apple also asked Samsung to develop OLED display panels for its upcoming Apple foldable smartphones. Viewers, for the first time, LG is developing a display panels for the Apple. Now Apple is getting display panels from Samsung and LG both. Let's see on which display panel Apple is going to work further. Whereas in the Jan this year, a report indicated that Apple has started to develop its foldable smartphones as early as it was expected. Now we can expect that Apple very soon will launch upcoming foldable smartphone. Whereas from the last year, actually LG task force is working on its display panels. LG has dedicated a task force for just to develop the display panels. It will be interesting to see on which Samsung or LG display panel will choose the Apple for the first time for its first foldable smartphone. Let's see. I will keep you updated. Share this video with your friend and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.